Dog, a canine to come out.
All right, bring canine, bring the FBI, bring the CIA. Do whatever you gotta do, bro.
Out the car, I'm gonna break this glass.
Just pulled me over unconstitutionally. Do you understand that?
Here are unforgettable moments when cops messed with the wrong drivers.
What are you pulling me over for? Legal pullover. A legal pullover, buddy. You just pulled me over unconstitutionally.
In this case, the officer pulls over a driver, claiming he was speeding, but the driver disputes this, citing his dash cam and GPS as evidence.
Do you understand that?
Hey, you're speeding.
I'm not speeding.
You talk about me
I got a fucking dash cam with my GPS on it, buddy.
Listen. You flipped me off while I'm driving down.
That's not illegal, buddy.
The driver admits to flipping off Officer Santos, which leads the officer to falsely claim it's a crime. However, under the First Amendment, gestures like raising the middle finger are protected free speech unless they cause a public disturbance. The driver's knowledge of this protection exposes the officer's misunderstanding of constitutional rights.
It's not illegal. You just committed a crime. Nope, you're not getting license and registration. I haven't committed no crime. What's my crime?
The guy that's always pulling.
What's my crime, buddy?
Give me your license and registration.
What's my crime?
I paced you.
Pace me? Pace me?
You're in front of me.
Let me see your thing. Let me see your guard. Let me see your gun, buddy. You paced
My
me.
gun.
Get out of here. Let me see your
license
radar
and
gun.
registration.
I'm not giving you registration. You pulled me over unlawfully, sir. Santos, number 620.
Santos 620. Give me
Yeah.
your license and registration.
No, I'm not giving you my license registration. You pulled me over unlawfully, buddy. Unlawful pullover. You gonna let me go to work now?
No.
Yeah,
Give me your
okay.
license and
Okay.
registration.
I'm not giving you. Under what? If I don't, what are you gonna do?
Failure to identify.
That's a secondary crime, dude.
The Fourth Amendment protects against unreasonable searches and seizures, which includes traffic stops that lack proper justification. The driver further challenges the officer's actions, asserting that he was pulled over unlawfully, but Officer Santos kept on violating his authority.
That's a secondary crime.
That's an arrestable offense.
Is it?
Yeah.
What'd you pull me over for?
I told you speeding. Give me your license.
Speeding. I'm giving you my registration under threat of arrest.
All right, man.
and
It's
your
not a threat.
litigation,
Let's
buddy.
go.
Litigation. Litigation.
10-4.
Here's my license. Here's my license. Here's my registration.
All right, cool.
And you're going to litigation, buddy.
Okay, hey,
You
sorry,
are.
all right,
No problem, buddy.
Surprisingly, the officer cowardly called for backup, resulting in the arrival of multiple police units, which exposed his abuse of power and intimidation tactics.
This is hilarious.
You call backup code 3 for a speeding ticket and a camera? You're a buddy.
You're receiving your speeding ticket.
Good.
all right?
Give me my speeding ticket and get away from me.
Get away
I don't
from
need
me.
no more lawful directions from you,
Hey,
buddy.
whose truck is this though? Is your work truck?
I don't answer questions. Give me my
I'll be in
ticket.
contact with your work company as well, alright, man?
You go ahead and do what you need to do, buddy.
So-
Threaten me some more.
Go ahead.
Threaten me
Hey,
some more.
go ahead.
Litigation will
Hey.
start against you, Santos.
Hey, go ahead and fight the ticket,
Yeah,
alright?
I will fight the ticket, yeah.
The cop abused his authority and violated the driver's rights, but this next driver refused to be mistreated.
The dog, a canine to come out.
All right, bring canine, bring the FBI, bring the CIA. Do whatever you gotta do, bro.
During a routine traffic stop, officers pulled over a driver for making an improper turn, which led to a tense interaction. However, the driver immediately questioned the legitimacy of the stop, asking for proof and challenging the officers to show footage of his alleged infraction. Despite the escalating tension, the officers struggled to maintain control of the situation.
What's going on, man? How you doing?
Why you pull me over?
I want to start with the old police car. I pulled you over because you made that left turn off 167th on LaGrange Road. You made it in the middle lane. You gotta make it into the left lane, the curb lane.
I went in the left lane.
You went right into the left, the middle
No, I
lane.
didn't.
You
No, I
have a driver's
didn't.
license insurance
No, I
on you?
didn't. You got footage?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, no. Show me the footage.
You
You're
can't
lying.
see it.
I went into the left lane.
Okay, can I have your driver's license and proof of insurance?
I need a sergeant.
No, I need a driver's license and proof of
No.
insurance.
Don't tell me no.
I do.
I need a sergeant.
There's no sergeant available right now.
Yes, there is. Call in, and I need to hear on the radio. If there isn't, then we can go from there.
No, you're not running
No.
my traffic stop. Someone asked for your driver's
No,
license and proof of
you're
insurance.
pulling me over, and it's wrong.
It's not. Driver's license.
I went into the left lane. No.
44 another car.
What's going on?
You won't give me a license.
Alright, move. What's going on, man? What's going on? You won't give him his license?
I need a sergeant.
You're not getting a sergeant. Unlock the car. Don't
listen.
You will get a sergeant, but you gotta go to our station.
No.
When asked for his license, the driver refused until a sergeant was present, which sparked further confrontation. The officers initially refused the request, aggravating the situation by suggesting the driver needed to visit the station for a sergeant's presence, but the driver refused, citing his right to remain at the stop location. Under 725 Illinois compiled statutes, 5-107-14, such detention and temporary questioning will be conducted in the vicinity of where the person was stopped. This led the driver to believe he was being unfairly targeted.
No,
Yeah.
he told me there was no sergeant available.
There isn't a sergeant available.
How do you guys know?
So you can go, because we have a little clipboard that our computer shows how everyone's available and not available. We do not have a sergeant on scene right now. If you want to complain, though,
Okay.
you can go to our station.
Look. Take your hand off my door. I'm gonna give you my license, okay? I will.
right,
I'm gonna
just so
give you
you
my
know.
license.
Okay.
We need to calm down the situation, all right?
Okay.
Okay.
All right, then we're good. You have
All
a
right.
license?
All right.
All right, just so
Okay.
you know that if you decide to take off, there's a stop stick.
I already
underneath your
stopped.
tire,
I already
okay?
stopped.
I'm just telling you, there's a stop stick underneath your tire.
I don't
in case you
care.
take
I
off,
don't
okay?
care. I
just
stopped.
have to
If
inform
somebody stops, why they running away, right?
you. I've seen it.
I don't care.
I've seen people. You got your ID on you?
Okay. Just calm down. I'm cool. Okay. Here's
You're good.
here's my license. Y'all just caught me on a bad day, okay?
What's going on today?
It don't matter what's going on. I'm in a bad mood, okay? That's it. It doesn't matter what's going on.
What'd you do today?
It doesn't matter. Okay, here's my license. Check it. If y'all want to write me the ticket, I'm going to court. That's it.
Nah, man, look, we ain't trying to make you write a ticket and everything.
No,
As long
because
as
you
you're
guys
cool
were in
with
the
us-
gas station, and then you guys were in the light, and y'all followed me, right or not? Y'all targeted me,
No,
right or not?
No.
The driver accused the officers of following him from a gas station, a claim they tried to dismiss by referencing his failure to use a turn signal. As the officers continued to press the driver for compliance, he maintained his stance that the stop was unjustified, pushing back against what he saw as harassment. His demeanor remained uncooperative, but within legal boundaries.
You didn't use a turn signal?
I did not.
And you
But why he
you made
didn't
an
tell me that?
improper
He didn't
turn.
tell me. I did put a turn signal, number one. He told me it was because I went in the middle lane.
Not turning.
Anyway, this is not
southbound
something
on
to
the
argue
Grange
about.
Road.
We're not arguing. If you want to write me a ticket, write me it. I'll go to court,
Okay.
and we can work from there. I don't want no problems. I don't want
I don't want no
to
problems
make
either.
a fucking movie and all this stupid shit. We
Nah,
don't
fuck
need
that
it.
shit, right?
We don't need it.
We don't need it. Where you staying?
Doesn't matter. It's on my license.
All right, dude.
Okay?
You ain't gotta be a dick.
I told you I'm pissed off today. Okay?
Yeah, I have bad days too, but you know if I act like that, like
Y'all
this,
targeted me.
I'm not targeting you.
Y'all was following me from the gas station.
Nope.
Yes or no?
Was our vehicle behind you?
And then y'all, it
Was
was a
our
red
vehicle-
light. Y'all cut the light without turning
Because
on
you
y'all
didn't use
lights.
the turn signal and then
No,
you made
I
an
did.
improper turn.
I did. If
No,
you could
didn't.
show me the footage.
So we do. We have our camera, our dash cam on. But hear me out. We saw you not use a turn signal. Okay? And then you made an improper turn. I don't know if he didn't tell you that, but I'm telling you that now. Because I
Alright.
was on that side, I couldn't hear shit because of the wind and the traffic driving by.
All right.
We good?
Yeah, we're good.
As soon as your license checks out valid, we'll get you out of here, alright?
All right.
Okay?
All right.
How old are you?
It's on my license.
I don't got your license, man.
All right. Please, I don't want to have no small talk. I'm just not in the mood. All right.
I get it. You
Alright.
don't gotta do small talk then. But the whole thing, I did have to tell you about the stop stick, okay? That's underneath your tire.
I'm not going nowhere. I stopped. All right.
Just,
Y'all playing games. Y'all got
playing games.
Indiana license
You know how much
plates.
cheaper it is to have
All
shit
right.
out of Indiana?
It's not that it's cheaper. That's
It
bullshit.
is cheaper.
And then y'all got an Uber sticker. It's cheaper.
Yeah, it's an unmarked
It's cheaper
spot.
too. Come on, bro.
It's an unmarked
Y'all
spot.
playing stupid games. You win stupid prizes. That's that. That's what it is.
No,
Don't
that's
tell
an
me it's
unmarked
cheaper.
squad. It is cheaper, by the way. Indiana compared to Illinois is completely cheaper. And I think you know that. Alright, give me a second. We'll try in the morning, alright?
Y'all see the bullshit I gotta fucking deal with? The motherfuckers wanna come live in Chicago, man. Come on, bro.
Real quick, I see you reaching all over the place, man. You good?
I'm good, man. How long it take to write a ticket, bro?
All right, I'm working on it. I'm gonna ask you, got anything in this car we gotta know
There
about?
ain't no
Guns,
weapons,
drugs,
there's
knives,
nothing.
bombs,
I
explosives?
already told her. I'm not making no problems, there's no problems. Okay?
Okay, I'm just
That's
asking
the
you.
word is bond. That's it.
I can't hear you. What?
The word is bond.
Word is what?
It's bond.
It's bun?
No problems.
Okay. All right. So
All
do you
right.
have any of those illegal substances in the vehicle?
What
Any contraband?
did I just say?
I don't understand.
I said there's nothing in the car.
You said the word is bum, so I didn't understand what that meant.
Bond. B-O-N-D.
Okay.
Bond.
What does
All
that
right? It doesn't matter what it means. Anyway, How long does it take to write a ticket?
Well, at this point, because of the way you're acting, everything going on, I'm working on getting a canine to come out.
All right, bring K9, bring the FBI, bring the CIA. Do whatever you gotta do, bro.
The situation escalated when the officers implied they would bring a K9 unit to search the vehicle, despite no evidence of wrongdoing. Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1, 1968, allows police to perform searches only with reasonable suspicion. The driver, undeterred, called their bluff, demanding they proceed with the search. Ultimately, the officers backed down, issuing only a warning and letting him go, showing that the driver's firm stand left them with no grounds for further action.
I don't know what it means. Anyway, how long does it take to write a ticket?
Well, at this point, because of the way you're acting, everything going on, I'm working on getting a canine to come out.
All right, bring K9, bring the FBI, bring the CIA. Do whatever you gotta do, bro.
Okay, so I'm asking if there's anything now we can...
I already told you.
Okay. All right, give me a couple minutes.
All right.
You good?
I already told you. I'm good. I don't no problems, nothing.
No, so, I mean, if you don't want to wait for a canine, you could just step out.
Well, I gotta step out.
You don't gotta step out. I'm just saying, if you don't want to wait on for a canine, then we could just make this fast. There's nothing in the car that a dog's an alert on. We could just search the car
Bring the dogs. Bring the dogs.
Okay. I'm just trying to make it fast for you because you said you gotta go.
No, because you say you was gonna give me a warning. Now you want to bring the dogs and all this shit.
We did have a warning for you.
All right, it's all right.
Huh?
It's all right. Do what you gotta do.
Okay. All right, here's your ID back. This is just a warning. We're not going to make you wait another 15 minutes for dog. I'm not doing it, okay? All this is just a warning. Just says why we stopped you, okay?
All right.
Got any questions for me?
No.
Okay, you're all good to go, okay?
All right.
Take care. I hope your day gets better, seriously.
All right. What motherfuckers want to do is waste people's time, bro. That's all they want to fucking do.
Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.